Removing a payment method from Square is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment information is updated. Step 1. Log into your Square account. Visit the Square website or open the Square app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, find and click on the Account and Settings option, usually located in the Manual Profile section. Step 3. Access payment methods. In the Account Settings, look for the Payment Method section. This is where you can view all the payment methods linked to your account. Step 4. Select the payment method to remove. Find the payment method you wish to remove. Click on it to view more details and options related to the specific payment method. Step 5. Remove the payment method. Look for the option to delete or remove the payment method. Confirm your choice when prompted to ensure it is successfully removed from your account. After completing these steps, your payment method should be removed from Square. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Square support for assistance.